In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start the billing timer in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your billable time accurately and save it to the right matter without missing a minute. First, open Clio Manage and head to the Activities area. This is where all your time entries live, and it's the best place to create a new one when you're ready to track time for a task. Think of Activities as your central workspace for timekeeping. Next, select New Time Entry. This opens the time entry form where you'll set everything up. Even if you're just getting ready to start, it's helpful to be on this screen so you can fill in details as you go. In the duration section, click the play button to start the timer. You'll see the timer begin counting up immediately, which means your billable time is now being tracked in real time while you work. If you ever forget to hit play right away, remember you can still enter time manually later, but using the timer helps keep things precise. Now, choose the matter you want to bill this time to. This step is essential for accurate billing and reporting. If you handle multiple clients or cases, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct matter. You can search or scroll through your list, whatever's fastest for you. Fill in the activity details to give context to your work. Select the activity category that best matches what you're doing. Add a clear description, brief but specific is best, and confirm the date. The date typically defaults to today, but you can adjust it if you're recording time for earlier work. When you finish your task, click the stop button. The timer will halt, and the exact duration you tracked will automatically populate the duration field. This is your chance to review the time for accuracy and make small adjustments if needed, especially if you started or stopped a few seconds late. Finally, click Save Entry to record your billable time. Once saved, this entry will appear in your activities list and be ready for billing, reporting, or later edits if you need to refine the description or correct the matter. That's it. You've started, tracked, and saved a time entry with the billing timer in Clio Manage. Using the timer consistently helps ensure your invoices reflect the real effort you put in and reduces the chance of underbilling. Thanks for watching.